Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This sleek sedan combines cutting-edge technology, a refined design, and exceptional performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 model stand out. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class continues to represent the essence of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in the compact executive sedan segment. Known for its refined design, advanced features, and powerful yet efficient engine options, the 2025 C-Class builds on the success of its predecessors with several key improvements and new offerings. Whether you're looking for a dynamic driving experience, a stylish interior, or the latest in automotive tech, the 2025 C-Class delivers on all fronts. What's new for 2025? For 2025, Mercedes-Benz has made a series of updates to the C-Class that enhance its performance, design, and overall appeal. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of more advanced driver assistance systems, building on the previous model's already impressive suite of safety features. Mercedes has also enhanced the infotainment system, making it even more user-friendly with more customization options and expanded connectivity. Additionally, there are subtle tweaks to the exterior styling, including a more aggressive front bumper and new wheel designs, making the C-Class look even more modern and sporty. The MBUX infotainment system has been refined for quicker response times and greater ease of use, offering even more control over vehicle settings, navigation, and media. Pricing and which one to buy. Pricing for the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class begins at approximately $45,000 for the base C300 sedan, which offers a balanced mix of performance and luxury. This entry-level model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, the brand's MBUX infotainment system, and a solid array of safety features. For those who prefer more performance, the C300 4MATIC, with all-wheel drive, starts at around $47,000. For those looking for the ultimate in performance, the AMG C63S sedan, with its hybridized V8 engine producing significantly higher horsepower, comes in at over $75,000. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class offers a range of engine options designed to balance power and efficiency. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the C300, producing 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a smooth, responsive driving experience, with enough power for both urban and highway driving. It comes paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, which ensures smooth gear shifts and quick acceleration. For a more exhilarating performance, the AMG C43 features a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 402 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing a significantly sportier experience. Paired with the AMG Performance 4MATIC system, this engine offers quick acceleration and sharper handling dynamics, all while maintaining impressive efficiency for a performance-oriented sedan. The AMG C43 can hit 60 mph in around 4.5 seconds, making it a fun, spirited option for enthusiasts. The AMG C63S brings even more muscle, with a hybridized V8 engine that delivers 469 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This power-packed version brings aggressive acceleration and a truly thrilling driving experience, capable of going from 0-60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the 2025 C-Class, particularly considering its performance potential. The C300 offers an EPA-estimated 26 mpg city and 35 mpg highway, making it an efficient option for daily commutes and long trips alike. Mercedes-Benz's MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system remains one of the standout features of the 2025 C-Class. The system is intuitive and highly responsive, featuring a 12.3-inch digital display that integrates seamlessly with the instrument cluster. A 10.25-inch touchscreen serves as the main control for the infotainment system, providing access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, making it easy to connect smartphones without the need for cables. For audiophiles, the 2025 C-Class offers the option of an MBUX premium sound system, delivering rich and clear audio throughout the cabin. This system can be upgraded to include Burmester audio, a premium sound option that's particularly refined for those who appreciate the best in-car audio. Safety and driver assistance features. Mercedes-Benz has long been a leader in safety, and the 2025 C-Class continues this tradition with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety equipment includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Additionally, the C-Class features active brake assist, which helps avoid collisions by applying the brakes if the driver doesn't respond in time. The C300 comes standard with active distance assist Distronic, an adaptive cruise control system that can maintain a set speed and adjust to the flow of traffic. On higher trims like the AMG models, more advanced systems like evasive steering assist and active steering assist are available, enhancing safety during high-speed driving or when navigating tight corners. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more car reviews, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts on the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and reviews on the latest vehicles.